my lovely people! Today we are making stuffed chicken legs. Does it have a bone inside? No. Is it complicated to make? Nope. Let me show you how I made it.
I have 6 chicken legs. Remove the skin from the meat and pull towards the knuckle. Use a knife and the kitchen hammer, also known as a meat tenderizer, to break the bone. It breaks very easily. Save the skins. Remove the meat from the bone and cut the meat in smaller pieces for meat grinder. Save the bones for chicken broth. How to make it? Check out the recipe on my website. Also grind 3 medium-sized carrots, half of the onion, and 6 cloves of garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of each: garlic powder, lemon pepper, whole fennel seeds, dried basil, dried oregano, and mild chili flakes. 1 egg, 1½ teaspoon of sea salt, and black pepper to taste. Mix very well. Add handful of chopped parsley. Don't forget to use flat leaf parsley. That's where the flavor is. Mix well. Stuff the skins tightly. No worries, nothing will run out or explode. Don't need to secure with any toothpicks or anything else. Place chicken on a baking sheet and pat dry with paper towels very well. That way you will get crispy skin. Drizzle some olive oil, sprinkle some lemon pepper. And the secret of gorgeous caramelized skin is honey. Sprinkle generous amount of caraway seeds and roast into 350 Fahrenheit degrees preheated oven for 45 to 55 minutes. It's done when it's nicely browned and internal temperature is reached at least 165 degrees.
And there you go. It's ready. It's been in the oven for 45 minutes. So it's all brown and crispy. Let's give it a try. It's very juicy, delicious, and flavorful. I hope you're gonna like it as much as we do.